Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 15. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my user home activity. This is my layout file. And now we'll demonstrate the project. So I already have an account created on the Firebase. It's ex15DatT@gmail. And now we'll try to log in. And I'll put in a incorrect password, and then say authentication fail, and then now we'll enter in a correct password, and then now I'm logged in. And if I open up the drawer menu, I can see my email on here. Now I'm gonna go back out, and I will try to create a new account. I'll put in 19 instead, and I'll create a password that's less than 6 characters, and I'll select create account, and say password must be greater than 6 characters. So then now we'll type in a valid password, and then I'll select create account, and then say account has been created. And if I check my Firebase and refresh, I see that it created the account, and then I can log in, and then if I checked, it'll show the account that I logged in with. So that's it for my project 15. In this project, the additional feature that I added is that on the main activity, whenever I select either the email or the password section, there's a frame animation of a character walking. So that's it for my project 15. Thank you for listening.